Okay, hi everyone. I'm here now uh, to have a short clip or videos about how you will remove the background of your picture in Canva. It's only available for Canva Pro, so you will not have this new updates if you don't have Canva Pro. Okay, so I will discuss how to remove background in Canva, and they call it as background remover. Okay, so I have a picture here, images here, and then you just select the image that you want to remove the background, and then click the effects. And ta there's a background remover. These are new updates for Canva Pro, and then just click it, and you wait. It's so slow, but I think Canva is working for it. And then, turn. You remove the background already. Okay, this is how. So, bye.